Hey, welcome back. What it do, film crew? Erik here, and today we're talking about RGB LED tube lights. If you're new here, it's my goal on this channel to help you make better video. Whether that's decisions on gear, tips, tricks, or hacks. If it has to do with filmmaking, then that is my vibe. Now you can do me a favor and help level up the film crew by hitting subscribe. And don't forget to smash that bell notification so that you'll be notified anytime a new video drops. And with that being said, let's go! So LED light tubes have been all the rage for the last few years. You've seen many of them pop up in music videos and in films and all kinds of different spaces, in concerts and the like. And Quasar Science is really on the upper echelon of crushing that game. Now, their gear is super quality, but it also comes with a quality price tag. So I've been on the search for an RGB version of an LED tube, and the Quasar Science is just a little out of my price range at this time. So I've been searching and searching, and I came across Ape Labs, which makes lights for DJs and EDM shows, and they're really amazing, and they're about half the price of the Quasar Science. Now they're still a little pricey at about $200 for an 18 or 16 inch tube, and I still wanted to find a better bargain. So off to Amazon I went, and I ended up discovering the LUXCEO RGB wand. So let's check this out. This is really a first impression, sort of an unboxing. You've got your remote control here. You've got your light tube in this nice felt packet. You've got your USB charging cable. It is made out of a polycarbonate, which it doesn't feel cheap, though it is, a plastic material. Let's unscrew this guy. It does have a waterproof seal on this cap. There's your USB plug, your charging port. It's got a 10,400 milliamp rechargeable battery that's internal, so you don't have a second separate battery and charger thing that you got to carry around. It's this and this, and you're good. Now I've been having some fun playing around with the different lights, different LED lights recently, and as you can see in the background here, messing around with the different frame rates, making sure you don't get that interpolated light flicker and all that. And so I'm not sure what we're going to get here on this video because I haven't messed around with this light. But you can see that there's these different modes. Alright, cops are after me now. That's cool. Lightning mode. And then you've got your various colors, your R, your G, your B, your tungsten, and then there's some mixed colors, splits. It's pretty cool. So what's cool about this light is it has 12 different modes, as you saw a few of those there. It has stepless dimming, so if you're not sure what that means, if you've ever seen an LED light dimmed and it like notches down, it's not a smooth transition through the dim, that's called step dimming. Like it steps down per percentage, and it's not a smooth transition through. This is stepless, so it does not do that, so it's a nice, clean, seamless dim. Another interesting tidbit about this guy, it's Ip68 Waterproof. Now I believe that's up to 30 feet for 10 minutes. I don't recommend doing that. You don't want to push the limits, especially when you have a nice piece of gear that you're relying on. The temperature range goes from 3K to 5750, and probably the best part of this, that it comes in at a nice affordable price at only $85. So $85 for a 16 inch, like the overall length is just under 16 inches. The light length itself is right at about 13 inches. but it feels durable. I would have no problem tossing this in a backpack and hitting the road and having a nice, really nice, even, smooth, soft light LED tube for whatever my run and gun situation is. So there you have it. Thanks again for hanging, and don't forget to join the film crew. You know what to do. And until next time, cheers. Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up? I gotta look at the camera, dang it. Hey, what's up? What it do, film crew? 3, 2. Hey, welcome back. What it do, film crew? Erik here. And today we're talking about Hey, welcome back. What it do, film crew? To Erik here. Gosh, I can't get it done. There we go. 3, 2.